Welcome to Ray's homegrown veg garden. Well, it's Tuesday and it's 5:45 in the morning and the sun is rising. And it's going to be a lovely day. So better crack on and get some stuff done. Give you a little look round. Good morning. So it's Tuesday, 28th of May. And we are going to give you a quick update on my Veg in One Bed by Hugh Richards, and the book as mentioned. So May is for harvesting radishes and also putting in the runner beans after the frosts are gone, and also starting French dwarf beans and growing on the leeks, and also direct sowing of the chard. So here we go, let's give you a quick update. Veg in One Bed. Phase 1 and 2 are cleared, and this is the spot on the radishes. This is the update for the Veg in the Bed leek. This is Autumn Giant. This was done on the 10th of April. I originally thought I'd lost all of these as they were all lying flat after a week away. So I put them back in the water and they've sprung up again. Now they're sat here with all my sunflowers. And the other thing in my tunnel is the Today I'm going to make my baked bean frame for my runner beans. They're on my table. And the radishes are out and had a bit of a weed. I've knocked up a framework for the netting to go around the outside. So at the moment I've just got lettuces. I was a bit behind on the lettuces because the first lot didn't happen. Then my runner beans, board beans, and then on the end is the potatoes. So the next stage of the Veg in One Bed is the runner beans. So I've got 8 canes in rows 9 and 10 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 runner beans in the middle of the 2 canes, as mentioned in the book, Hugh Williams' book. And then it needs a water for 8 seconds for each plant. So let's give it a water. I hope you enjoyed that quick update, and here's a quick picture of my radish and my radishes on toast for an evening snack. Just served nice with pepper and some salt. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. We'll do a whole full tour of the plot in the next day or two. Thank you very much. Bye bye.